What's up, guys? So how's everybody doing today? Hopefully good. Thank you, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna try, as you can see, I don't have no Immortal T on this guy or L or anything. I got bit by a vampire. So went ahead and picked up a couple of these. Chuck told me about them, and yeah, y'all know I'm going digi now, especially if you watch the FPV NoobTube, right? Huh? Whatever. So anyway, down in here, as you can see up in there, you can probably see the antenna, like a little bit here and then a little bit here. So that's where the antenna's at. I went over yesterday and ran in the field, and probably a quarter mile out, it hit me with telemetry lost. So sorry about that, but the card got full. So what I want to do is stand here on the deck facing like this, and then try to fly all the way around and come back around, so behind myself and penetrating through at least 12 to 14 trailers. And it's getting ready to rain, so we better get going. Say that was a success. I had no telemetry yell at me or anything. Completely around the park. Yep, let's go over in the field. I do want to bump it up to milliwatts. So it did good. When I went through, my dad's neighbor, I I tried to go through his porch. His door's always open. He likes the drone, so I figured why not fly through and then check it out. I go through. I was facing that way that we set off the deck, but I was down in the yard, so I was down actually behind all the metal and stuff. I just went through, and just that little bit of throttle got me. It was it. We went down. There was no saving it. So then when I land, I turtled over because I didn't see nobody come out. When I turtled over, I lost video, and I'm thinking a limb hit that bind button back there, and it just momentarily shut the camera down. So yeah, definitely penetrates. Figure this is the corner, right? So figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You figure once we're on that side, 7, 8, 9, figure 10, 11, 12, easy 12, 14 trailers that it was penetrating through, you know, with just the antenna here. So that's pretty good with it being inside of the rig, inside of there, instead of hanging off the side. So yeah, we'll do some more. Can't wait to get in some concrete places and do it. So to clear it up, we're running the VAS X-Fire Mini. That's going to be the antenna that we replaced the TBS Immortal T with. Again, in the frame, not external at all.